This is why you need to fix your dryer vent fast. Lint buildup can cause fires and mold in your Lynnwood home. Here's how to keep your family safe and your dryer running smooth. Dryer vents aren't just a small detail, they play a huge role in your home's safety. If your vent is broken or loose, lint can sneak into your walls, raising the risk of fire or mold. That's why regular checks and fast repairs are so important. Start by unplugging your dryer before you begin. Look for damaged aluminum tubing or connections that feel loose. Replace any broken ducts and seal the joints tight with UL-listed foil tape, not duct tape. This keeps the vent system secure and up to code. If you're not sure what to look for or just want peace of mind, call in the pros, like our team at StarDucts right here in Lynnwood. We check, repair, and test every vent, making sure it's clear and safe. Professional repairs mean your dryer works better, uses less energy, and lasts longer. Plus, you get the peace of mind that comes with expert care. So, don't wait. Protect your home and your family. Call StarDucts today at 425-545-0552 for expert dryer vent service you can trust.